video, we're gonna be lighting the Audi back up, getting the rock lights back up in order. Got some new ones in. Tore out the old ones. There's the old crusty little ones there. As soon as I took the side panels off, I realized it's been a long time since I've cleaned anything on the other side of the plastics. It's pretty crusty looking in there, and honestly, it looked worse when all the wires were run. I know. But that's for the halos, and they're not going anywhere, so I might fix it. We'll see if I get ambitious. So yeah, I got some new rock lights from Kemimoto we're gonna be putting on, and these things are big, man. Have a look. So here's the old ones that I took off. That's your standard ATV rock light. And now, bam! Look at that. Holy smokes. This thing's gonna be lit up. Like you're oh man, this thing is gonna be ballin'. Yeah, gonna be no problem seeing me on the trails now. Woo! All right, but before I do that, like I said, it's looking pretty crusty. Haven't cleaned it for a while, and I've seen a few little tricks and hacks on how to clean this up. Dilly cleans his unreal every time. No one details a bike like Dilly, including myself, so I'm gonna try something a little different. So full disclaimer, I haven't tried this yet, but I noticed the wife does a pretty dang good job cleaning the house with this stuff. It's like an all-natural cleaner. Pick it up at any grocery store or Walmart. It's nothing special other than it's fantastic. Smells good, works good. And I mean, it doesn't even have a warning label on it, so it shouldn't hurt anything on the ATV. I mean, it's not poisonous. It's even lemon scented, so I mean, you could probably put this in your kid's lunchbox for a juice pack and they still come home at the end of the day, so shouldn't hurt the Outlander. So we're gonna try it out. All right, if this works, it's a hack. If it doesn't, you'll never see this video. All right, give her a quick hose down. Now, I know I missed a lot of spots there. I'm not washing the outside. This is just to see if this stuff will work. You know, all the stuff that is a pain to scrub. So let's see if this stuff brings it back to life. If it don't work, at least I'm testing it out for you. All right, here goes nothing. Looks good on the outside, looks good for the pictures, and I do fluid changes and all that kind of stuff, but as far as cleaning everything underneath, I'm not as fussy as I look. Now obviously if you had a foam cannon or something like that, you just spray it all over, probably take care of it. Maybe, I don't know, there's lots of tips out there for this stuff, so maybe the foam cannons don't work, but I don't have a foam cannon, so I'm not even going that route. Just trying it out. Put a little more on there. I mean, it looks better than it did. Let's spray it down. Well, I don't know if that really worked or not. It's definitely cleaner than it was. I mean, especially that harness. That was completely brown. You couldn't even tell what it was. The super brown stuff, obviously it's not going to take that. You need something super powerful, but I don't want to, you know, hurt anything. We'll see what it looks like when it dries. Shine that up good. That's looking pretty shiny, especially all in here. I mean, this looks a lot better now. So I don't know if you want to call it a hack or not. It's a cheap, easy cleaner. If you got a foam cannon, use that. Obviously that's going to work. So I don't know if this helped you or not. You're just along for the ride while I try stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna push this sucker back to the shed. Tomorrow we're gonna start putting these lights in. All right guys, quick break in today's video just to give a shout out to Kemimoto. In this video, they hooked me up with the rock lights, and in last week's video, you may have seen I put in a brand new belt from them. They've been super helpful and good to the channel, which has only allowed me to give you guys more content. So if you want to pick up any items and gear up your ATV or side-by-side, you can check out their Amazon store if you want, or if you want to save a little bit of money, I'll put their Canadian and American websites here and in the description, so make sure you use code OutTheWoods to save 17%. So help yourself out and help me, because if they see my code getting used, it only means more content in the future. Everybody wins. All right, back to the video. All right, we're at Dilly's garage right now. We're gonna start putting the Kemimoto lights in this thing. Then when I get it home, show you how it lights things up. I got a feeling this thing's really gonna glow now. Like, I just judging by how big they are, man. You're gonna see me a mile away. Anyway, we're gonna chug them on, cue the montage. bright enough?
Ocean Gate.
Are they on?
Yeah. They should have had those on. They probably would have seen us at Titanic from where they were before they blow up, eh?
Oh yeah. They don't look that bright on the camera. All right, we're all done. 850's loaded up. Let's take it home. See how she lights up the sky. Unlike this cab light. All right, there they are. That's just the orange rock lights. I only put on 4 pods. They come in 6 and 8. I might put 5 or 6 on later, but we're gonna go with 4 for now. Man, them puppies are bright. Whew, they look good. Dang, they light up good. So shouts out to Kemimoto for these quality rock lights. I might put another one in here, in the grill here, so that lights up. But for now, we just went with 4, and I think that's plenty. Like I said, that's orange. It looks kind of white on the camera for some reason. There's teal, blue, purple, pink presets, and then of course you can set it to whatever you want. And yeah, man, it is bright. It is pitch black out here. And then boom, there she is. And then of course, if you run them with your halos, whew. Oh yeah. All right, let's snap on another color here, just see what it looks like. All right, there's light blue. That might be the brightest color. Man, does that ever light things up. Like I can see my whole backyard just off these lights. Look at that bad boy. All right, I'm gonna walk away a little distance here just to show you guys how bright it is. Okay, I'm about between 30 and 40 feet away right now. And look at that. Whew. Dang. Yep, these lights are bomb. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and shout out to Diesel Dilly for giving me a hand putting these in, and huge shout out to Kemimoto. Use code OutTheWoods, save yourself 17%. I'll put the link for these rock lights in the description if you want to get yourself a set, or browse their site and see if there's anything else you like. But remember, code OutTheWoods. All right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time. Peace.